Hello, today's topic is adjoint of a square matrix. First, we need to see the definition of adjoint of square matrix. Suppose we have a matrix A, which is a square matrix of order n, and let Cij be cofactor of Aij in A, be cofactor of Aij in the matrix A. Then the transpose of the matrix of cofactors, then the transpose of matrix of cofactors of element of A is called the adjoint of A, called the adjoint of A, and it is denoted by adjoint of A. Okay, or numerically we can write it as adjoint of A is equals to Cij transpose, or also we can write it as adjoint of Aij, which is equals to Cji, that is cofactor of Aji in A. Okay, now with an example it will be more clear. Suppose we have a matrix of order 3 cross 3 like this: 1 0 0 0 2 1 1 2 1. Okay, now we need to find the adjoint of A. So what we first do, we need to find the cofactors. So let us start with the cofactor matrices. For the first element, that is 1, the cofactor is going to be the determinant of 2 1 2 1. Okay, so the value of determinant is 2 minus 2, that is 0. So the first value is going to be 0. Now for the next value 0, the cofactor is going to be the determinant of 0 1 1 1, and the value of this determinant is 0 minus 1, therefore the value will be minus 1. Now for this value, that is 0, we have the determinant of 0 2 1 2, and it is going to be minus 2. Now for the value of 0 in the second row, we get a cofactor, that is 0 0 2 1, and it is going to be 0. Now for the second element in the second row, that is the 2 to 8th element, the cofactor will be 1 0 1 1, and it is going to be 0. And for the element 1, we have a cofactor which is 1 0 1 2, 1 0 1 2, and it is going to be 2. Now in the last row of this matrix A, the value for the cofactor corresponding to 1 is going to be 0. The cofactor corresponding to 2, the cofactor is going to be also 0 here. And for the value 1, we have a cofactor which is equals to 2. Then we have to change the signs, that is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. And then we need to take the transpose of these cofactor matrices. Therefore, the adjoint is results in 0, 1, minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2, 0, 0, plus 2 transpose. Therefore, the resulting matrix is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, minus 2, minus 2, 2. So this is the answer, that is the adjoint of A. Now, one remark that you need to know, that is the adjoint of a matrix of order 2. Suppose we have a matrix A of order 2 cross 2, that is minus 2, 3 and minus 5, 4. Then the adjoint of A is going to be, adjoint of a square matrix of order 2 is obtained by interchanging the diagonal elements and changing signs of off diagonal elements, that is it is going to be 4 minus 2, and after changing the off diagonal elements we have minus 3 and plus 5. So this is the adjoint of a 2 cross 2 matrix. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.